Hey there, if you need to track your volunteer hours for school or community service, this spreadsheet is perfect for you. There's a dashboard and a tracker for you to track all the details. I'll show you how it works. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel. Here we go. Okay, so this is the dashboard. First, you're going to put down how many hours that you need. So say you need 200 hours. This will automatically calculate how many hours you have completed, and it will tell you how many hours you have left. You can put the date started, so double click in. So we'll just choose today, and then you can put the date due. So the date due is here, and it'll tell you how many days you have left until it's due. This is your hours tracker. I will show you how it works. So let's just go ahead and put in, we'll delete all of this. All right, so say we're going to put in the date. So we're going to just put in the date here. It will automatically type in the day of the week for you. So if we're going to start our volunteer hours at 8:30 a.m. and we're going to finish at 2 o'clock p.m. And just notice how I put that in there. It has to be 8:30 with 2 capital letters for this to calculate your hours. And then it will tell you the total number of hours that you worked. And then you can put tasks completed. So say you spread pine straw. And then the notes here, you can put any notes, like if you need to get a signature, if you need to remember what to do for next time, if you need to track, what happened, anything that you want to say. So I'm going to say, remember water bottle. If you want to say, schedule for next week, whatever notes you want to put in there. So this hours needed, again, if you wanted to put in that you need 300 hours, and then it will calculate your total hours all on this column for you, and then it will calculate how many hours you have left. So this is a really, really simple sheet to use. You can print this out if needed, or download it and turn it in if needed. So that's how it works. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm at savvyandthriving.com, and you have a great day.